In this video, I'm going to show you how to undo changes in Elementor. Start by opening the Elementor editor. There are different ways to undo actions depending on the type of change you made. For example, if you open a text block and delete part of the text, or if you make small edits, such as adjusting a color or deleting text, you can undo these small actions directly with a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and Z together, and on Mac, press Command and Z together. Once you do this, the action will be undone instantly, and your content will be restored. However, if you make bigger changes, like deleting an entire section or removing an image, pressing the undo keys will not bring the content back. In such cases, you need to use the History option. To do this, click on the Elementor icon at the top left-hand corner of the editor, and from the drop-down menu, select History. This will open your Action History panel, where you can see a list of all the actions you have taken during the current Elementor session. If you want to restore a deleted image, for example, simply select the action just before the deletion, and you'll see your content restored immediately. In addition, Elementor also provides a Revisions tab within the same panel. If you made changes days ago and now want to undo them, go to the Revisions section. Here you can see different saved versions of your website from previous editing sessions. Select the version you want, and Elementor will restore your site to that state. So whether it is a small undo with shortcuts, reverting through action history, or rolling back to previous versions using revisions, Elementor provides different ways to undo changes effectively, and this is how you can undo changes in Elementor.